up, y'all? It's your boy Larry, Midnight Chaos. Today we're going to be doing an install of carbon fiber wing. Very excited for this. Been waiting on a spoiler for a long ass time, so if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so, and stay tuned. So yeah, that's what we got here.
Oh, nice.
You know, TRD style. So we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. See what it looks like on the car. Matter of fact, let's hold it up. See. Let's check out the fitment. Yeah.
Kind of hovering off the car a little bit.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's gonna look good.
We're just gonna have to touch them.
All right, go ahead and get this installed. All right, y'all, so we got it lined up on the car. Just about to take off this 3M tape and we'll get going on the install. Alright, so we got the wing installed, so I'm just take a quick walk around the car, show y'all what it's looking like.
So happy for you.
Thanks, man. Yeah, it fucking looks sick. Yeah, so very excited about the way the wing looks on the car. I think it really pulls together the back end. And we got the blacked out emblem from the other day, so it's just looking really sick. Probably clean it up a little bit and throw a couple layers of wax on it. We got the car nice and, well, not the car, but we got the wing waxed up, protected from the UV rays a little bit, or, you know, so now it's super glossy. It's looking great.
Wait.
Yeah. All right, y'all, got the wing installed on the car. About to drive around a little bit and see if we can get some more shots so y'all can see what it looked like on the car.
Yeah. focus on.
What up, y'all? So that's all we got for today. Got the duckbill carbon fiber wing on the car. Kind of see it. Well, shit looks good, man. I'm really fucking hyped on it. So yeah, man, if y'all like the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Be on the lookout for our other videos, and hit y'all up soon. Peace.
Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe.